want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. Let's just jump real quick into yesterday's video. Play this sound clip. Do not want to lose this level, otherwise you're going down 26,000, 25,200, period. 25,200, period. If then statement. Plan A, plan B. The shorts killed it today. The leverage trading group killed it today. The most important thing is you're able to trade this market both ways, and I will help you. Or get out of these downtrends. Like you had a falling wedge already breaking to the downside. This saving grace would have been a bounce right here. Once it didn't happen, short city, and you had a drop, made a ton of money on a short here. And people did. And people did. I get so excited about the amazing success that I see in the group, just because I taught these people. This young lady, she came into the group and struggled a little bit when she was trading long, and then she's killing it trading with leverage. I can't figure it out. I can't figure it out. And then it dawned on me, shorter term trades. She's got good basic technical analysis under her belt, and then she's nailing the bangers. Look at this. 56% on this short, 67% on this short, 53%, 106, 106%. She doubled her money. 77%. The key is start with small amounts, start practicing. I've got videos to teach you. Join the group, change your life, period. I'm trying to save you from losing a ton of money in this market. Binance has some, I want to say FUD, but it's true. It's true, and nuked the market. But there are ideas where, yeah, you could get a bounce here, but as soon as that Binance news came out, nuke city. And so an idea is FTX gave us amazing buying opportunities. After FTX, with the entire market's falling apart, FTX is failing, everybody's fearful. Bitcoin hits its bottom at 15,000, and it gave huge buy opportunities that would have led to 100% profits, run up from 15,000 to 31,000, right? So will we get those same buying ideas here? This buying opportunity could get better, but we'll trade what we see on the charts. The news is just thrown at you and you have to react quickly. This is the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. We talked about it yesterday with this rising wedge, and then it broke to the downside as seen in the video here, right? It's plan A, plan B. It's like a football player. Tom Brady goes on the field as the quarterback and he says, if this happens, do this. If this happens, do this. It's not about nailing the absolute top or bottom. It's about making money in the middle. And there is a tremendous amount of money to be made here. Life-changing money is going to be made on these shorts. Life-changing money on leverage longs in the future. And it blows my mind away. I just can't believe the amount of success that we are having. I've never seen anything like it. I have trained an army of traders to take everybody else's money, period. Because their skill sets, this is player versus player. You're trying to take other people's money, period. And you see on this chart that, again, this same, okay, you look, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here. This is inverse head and shoulders. Huge run up. We made a ton of money there. And now here we are. I said 25,200. We got to 25,400. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. And this is the leverage group. We just launched it. We did a soft launch. We did a hard launch. Don't know how to trade leverage? That's fine. Join the learning group. Just email cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. and we'll get you up to speed so you're making money. There's a point in this market, and I got there, where you're just sick of losing money. And you're like, I got to do something different. This person stepped out of the office as the market was dumping, in and out, in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, he made 650% gains on this XRP short. This person, Chris, almost made my entire annual leverage group subscription back in 24 hours of signing up. Group is on fire. 31% on this near short. Had a Kava long for 251%. Kava short for 131%, trading both ways. Wanted to say thank you for opening up the leverage group. It's been a great way to become a better trader while still working. I've got people like sneaking off into the bathrooms. This person made 103% on metal. And we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. There's two different groups. Technical analysis is not a crystal ball. It's going to give you an edge. It's going to give you an edge that's going to make you profitable forever. You go to Vegas, you can count cards. You're not going to win every hand, but you're going to walk away a winner. And so now is the opportunity when you're fed up with losing money in this market. The leverage group is play by play. So it's amazing. You don't have to be in the leverage group. You don't have to be in any group. You can get the knowledge you need out of the channel. I just want you guys to be better. I want you guys to hit your goals. This is the Bitcoin 2-hour chart. We talked about how, again, the same lower trend line is still intact. And again, you've got room for a move down here to 24,960. Binance news came out, and that Binance, the largest exchange there is. You got Coinbase getting targeted with a Wells notice by the SEC. There's a ton of money in crypto. ETH was not one of the cryptos listed as a security in the SEC lawsuit against Binance, because the ETH community has billions and billions and billions of dollars, and the SEC knew better. They said these guys will go after us and they will hammer us in court. But it didn't happen. They didn't name ETH, and I'll show you the exact post. So these assets traded on Binance and Binance US are being sold as securities. Are there any names here that are big and are pivotal in the development of the entire crypto space? Listen to these names that they're calling securities. BNB, BUSD. Then they said units of each of the crypto asset securities further described below with the trading symbols Solana, ADA, Matic, Filecoin, Atom, Sand, Mana, Algo, Axie Infinity, and Cody. Collectively, the crypto asset securities. This is big. Binance has got, and they said, hey, we're gunning for them. We're not going to take their crap. The SEC is just targeting. And you have to think, yeah, hey, they want this central bank digital currency to take off. And so, hey, what can we do to throw a wrench in the crypto success? And here it is. And it's going to take a judge to set a precedent. You know, we've got XRP. That case will probably play out first. But then look what else has to play out. And so keep this in mind, right? The United States has some regulations to put in place to clarify, and they named a bunch of big names. Bitcoin daily chart. I told you guys this thing failed. These bull traps have given us the best entries for shorts. Like, why couldn't the bulls bullishly retest it? They lost the level that took forever to break. They lost it and then nuked. Counter trade the traps. I've got a video on this. I've got strategies on this. I preach this. This changed my trading life forever. This is the Bitcoin daily chart, and I want you to focus on this because here's where you're at. You've got a falling wedge There's a 68% chance that it breaks out to the upside. You've got this level of support where we're not quite there yet. It's down about 24,800. If this breaks out higher, you're going to 31,000, and then a breakout there, you're going to 40,000. Okay, so daily chart, higher time frames always win. The news, you can't trade the news. It just comes out randomly. The whales manipulate it. The SEC manipulates it. The United States government is printing dollars and devaluing the currency. And they're shooting for central bank digital currencies. Bitcoin phenomenon, crypto phenomenon is stealing the show. People making millions of dollars because of it. And the United States is gunning at all these exchanges. It's exchanges. We got to go head to head, get a precedent set, and this thing will take off. Still looking for your market cycles, right? This is possibly the biggest buying opportunity there is. If this fails, you're coming down to 20,000 possibly, a higher high. There's a move higher coming after that. Like, this is the time where your stomach gets sick, you get scared, and you've got to force yourself to buy. But remember, it's plan A or plan B. Go long on a breakout to the upside, go short on a break to the downside, or close your positions if you're not trading short, period. This is so simple. Plan A, plan B, right? Let the chart tell you what to do. There's massive amounts of accumulation potential coming that will change your life forever. And so be attentive to what's happening in the market. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart, and I don't want the weekly to close like this because you do not want to see a close of the 200 simple. This is called the bottom of the last panic situation drop of this market, 2018. Calls the bottom, calls the bottom, calls the bottom. Now you've lost it here, ran down 16,500, and now you do not want to lose it again. Otherwise, you got lower prices out of Bitcoin. Is there some type of rising channel? If this breaks to the downside, and I'll give you a number because you need it. Look, we'll take the measured move and we'll bring it over here. $18,300, which would still be a higher low. But that's what technical analysis says. If you break down, right? You break down below 24,500. Then you're coming down here to 18,300. Technical analysis says this, not Chris. Chris just follows the rules of TA. Give us the opportunity to make life-changing money, and you'll change your life forever, period. Sign up for the group, the link in the description. Email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Change the game. When you're sick of losing money, change the game, period. I love you guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.